What's up guys, Luke here from Cruise Punk, and today I'm going to be doing a video install on a rear diffuser here on my Infiniti Q50. So as you can see guys, right now there's nothing and it looks pretty bare back here, so that's why I went ahead and bought a pretty basic rear diffuser. I just kind of want to make the back look a little sportier. Right now it's super basic and it does not look sporty at all. So I guess we'll see what it looks like. Here we go. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do here down to this bottom where the diffuser is going to go is I'm going to clean this rear bumper. It's pretty dirty and I want to clean it before I put on the rear diffuser. And the areas of contact, I'm just going to try to run it over with this clay bar very, very quickly. Hoping I could manage to do this without jacking up the car, but oh well. Now I know this probably looks stupid, but I'm gonna go ahead and hit this with my heat gun here. Get rid of any last bits of water. So check it out. Here's the rear diffuser. Just kind of a matte black color. Might upgrade or paint it in the future here. This was my $80 rear diffuser. So, as you can see guys, it has pre-installed 3M tape. I don't really know if it's great quality, but I guess I'll find out. If mine hasn't fallen off by the time you guys watch the video, you're probably good to use this tape. The other two mounting points, we're gonna have one right here and one right here. So what I was talking about was over here. These are actually going to go on these two little clips, one here and one here, and that's where the diffuser is going to sit, right on those clips with the 3M tape adhesing right into this groove. And yeah, that's about it for attachment. So it looks pretty straightforward. Hopefully it'll stay on there. Like I said, you guys will find out. So first thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go ahead and pop out those two little clips. Alright. That may not have been the way to do it, but if I force down from the top. So that was a little bit of a pain in the ass, guys. But this is what the pin looks like. Just a regular clip. Got it out now, so we're good. We're gonna go ahead and do a mock setup right now. Okay. So fits. If it fits, this is how it'll look. So one thing I like to do is if I'm doing something where I need to pull off one end of the double-sided tape, see how there's this gap here? I just cover it with some Scotch tape so it'll get pulled off, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that the whole way around every little gap so I can just pull it off in one clean motion. So I'll kind of just use it to make some hook tabs too here. See how effective it is. We go ahead and heat gun the adhesive because it's kind of cold outside, so. Okay. me go ahead and pop the clips in one by one and get ready. You know what I'm about to do? About to say, screw these clips. I didn't want them anyways. Screw you, clips. Okay, guys. So this is my solution solver. I'm just gonna use two nuts and bolts here because those little clips were not working and they're becoming a major pain in the butt. So enough of that, and let's go. Plus, this will hold it much more secure. So the next final step here is I'm going to heat up this adhesive in sections, of course. Okay. So here's the final product in close-up. Starting from this corner here, realize there was a screw hole. You can bolt that down if you want to. If not, don't worry about it. I'm trying not to drill in my bumper right now, so we'll see if it holds on. Over here's the first little gap, the one that I added more tape to. Looks kind of nasty up close, but that's all right. Remaining pretty flush down over here. Pretty flush, pretty flush, pretty flush. Here's the other gap, the other one that I did add more adhesive tape to. Still a yucky gap, but I think it's gonna hold. And here is the other side, down here. Now, that's it, guys. This is the diffuser, rear diffuser in close-up. And I'd say for $80, if this thing holds on and sticks to my car, then I'll say it was a win. I don't mind the gaps as long as this thing doesn't rip off. It's not a big problem. But yeah, it makes my car look better from the back, sportier. I like the looks. All right, guys, so final remarks about the rear diffuser. It was cheap. It was somewhat easy to install. The corners didn't fit as nice as I wanted them to. And yeah, I'd say give it a shot if you're not trying to drop like $400 or $500 on a diffuser, because this one was $80 on Amazon. And yeah, just a quick note, it is cold out today, so that's why I used the heat gun to do the install. You can use it if it's hot out too, it also will aid, but it's practically essential if it's anywhere below, say, 70 degrees or so. So yeah, guys, if you're trying to do this in the winter like me, make sure you use a heat gun. If you're trying to do it in the summer, then if it's like 80 out, one thing I would recommend is taking the rear diffuser out and letting it sit in the sun you know, for a few hours, then go ahead and install it after that, because it'll be nice and heated up, so that'll make it easier. I wouldn't even worry about using a heat gun at that point if it was like 80 or 90 out. But yeah, that's about it for today's video, guys. I will have more mods coming here on this Q50. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to see more for my Q50 or more for my Acura RSX. But yeah, I got big plans for both of them. Once again, thank you to all my current subscribers, new subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It would be awesome, and it would really help me make more videos and, you know, give me more motivation and support from you guys. Once again, comment what you think, even if it's negative. I mean, feedback is feedback, guys. I'm not 5 years old, so I'm not gonna get butthurt over any negative comments. But yeah, thank you once again for watching today's video, and see you guys in the next video. Cruise Punk out.
Oh, y'all surprised cause I ain't got a LA chick on my side, the passenger, the LA whip. It's all good, I got love for my LA chicks, but